Hello guys, so welcome back sa video natin. Today, I'm gonna answer the question kung ano ba talaga yung pipiliin natin. Is it hourly rate or fixed job na mga work or rate? Okay? So, that's a good question. Actually, ang question came from myself. Hindi siya from someone else. Pero I would like to answer that question kasi a lot of people are maybe struggling about it. Kung ano ba talaga yung pipiliin nila ng mga na work. Okay? So, para sa akin pag sinabi natin hourly work or hourly rate, for me wala kang freedom. Wala kang freedom personally, wala kang freedom because matawag ka pa rin freelancer, pero yung time na you need to work on a particular project, talagang nandun ka lagi. Let's say for example, ako Facebook ad is all about talagang work ka dun sa desk mo, right? Pero ito nangyayari sa akin along the way kasi pag sa hourly rate, sometimes hindi ka na naging honest sa mga work mo. A lot of VAs hindi mag-agree sa akin, pero sa akin personally nag-think ako na parang hindi na ako honest kasi yung example, nagbigyan ako ng 8 hours a day na work, okay? Na yung work ko naman is kaya ko naman lang siyang tapusin within 4 hours na work, right? So anong gagawin ko usually? So I would do things na hindi na siya productive. Wala na kung yung ginagawa ko usually is hindi na talaga for the task. Like ginagawa ko lang talaga is nag-click lang, click, tapos change tab for 4 hours para lang makuha ko yung desired or amount of time na required within that day. So which is for me is parang advantageous yan sa atin as a VA kasi we are being paid hourly naman din. So pero for me it's parang mahirap siya sa part natin as an individual at the same time din sa client natin, right? So ito nangyari 2 years ago. Hindi siya 2 years ago, like nangyari sa akin kasi I had a client before sa Facebook ad. We started with hourly rate. So I was working for that client for 8 hours 8 hours a day, even 9 or maybe under that. So ito yung nangyari. Yung client ko nag-reach out sa akin. Sabi niya kasi napapagod siya after every week manually check my hourly performance yun. So napagod siya bigla. Sabi niya sa akin, Jake, is it okay that the next time, kasi na-average niya yung work hours ko parang ang work hours ko like average niya talaga 7 to 8 hours per day. So sabi niya, Jake, is it okay that we're not going to use the time tracker anymore? Sabi niya kasi gusto niya di na kami magamit ng time tracker. At the same time, is it okay na babayaran niya yung sweldo ko fixed per month? Sabi ko, tapos divide lang into 2. Sabi ko, walang problema boss, 100% okay ako yan. So nangyari, ang work namin talagang mas naging productive kasi may mga times na gusto kong tapusin yung task within 3 hours pero bayad ako in 8 hours. So naging nangyari. So talagang mas naging okay yung performance ko, naging okay yung sa side niya rin kasi nga hindi ako nagmamadali, hindi rin ako kasi yung Facebook ads kasi is hindi siya more on performance based talaga siya. So yun yung nangyari. So 6 months of doing that sa hourly rate, nag-transition kami from hourly rate to fixed price, and then we were working for that client for 2 years until the pandemic hit. So wala nang nangyari after that. So yun for me personally I would choose yung fixed price. Pero maintindihan naman talaga natin na may mga clients talaga na hindi talaga hindi talaga maniniwala sa atin at first talaga. So kailangan nila makita talaga yung performance natin sa during hourly rate. So kasi pag hourly rate meron kang screenshot, meron kang time tracker. Pag fixed price wala. So basically pag hourly rate ka, I hate to say this but I think for me personally, wala ka talagang freedom. Wala kang choice kung ano ba yung pipiliin mo na mga links, Hindi ka pwede mag-open ng mga links, hindi ka pwede mag-open ng mga tabs, like Netflix, ganyan. So right, yun yung disadvantage ng hourly rate. Pero pag fix ka, talagang you can do whatever you want, May freedom ka, freelancer ka talaga for me, Okay, pwede kang pumunta ng iba't ibang website, pwede kang that's the good thing about sa fixed price you can may freedom ka kung ano yung gawin mo within the day. At the same time, pag matapos mo na yung work mo, you can do whatever you want. You can upskill, you can watch another courses to upskill your skills, no, yung mga gusto mong gawin. You can play with your kids. Mas marami ka maging productive ka. I mean personal naman na opinion yan. So let me think kung ano ba yung nagustuhan nyo. Is it hourly or is it fixed price? Can you comment in the comment section below para meron naman tayo mga engagement dyan. So yan lang muna guys, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.